Hey, this is Jim with Keller Williams. We are going to do a walkthrough for tenants located at 1621 Stocker Street. So we're going to go inside and do the virtual video walkthrough to document the condition of the property. Let's go in and check it out. Yeah, so we're doing the walkthrough now. So notable damage here. Looks like paint stain or something was on the carpet, couldn't come out. And then there's also markings from shelving that used to be here, and then some holes on the walls here. So if you want to kind of walk me through everything else you see or point out.
Not too much here. There's not a closet door here.
Okay. No closet door. Got some nails from previous person. And go in the bathroom. Got looks like some paint wasn't properly done on this wall here. Other than that, a couple nails. Everything else looks presentable. Okay.
Anything here besides a couple of nails. Just don't have door on any of this closet.
Okay. Floors look good, but they do have some notable scratches. Got a window blind and a missing window blind here, and then a missing closet door, and then some more nails. There's no lights in this one
Okay. So
for some reason. So there's no
we changed these.
no working lights in here. So hopefully it's just a bulb.
Yeah. I think the closet one's worked though.
Curtains look good. Carpet looks good. Closets look good. Okay.
There we go.
Okay. Got
So
some.
that side works.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So we got one missing. Well, light's not working on this side. And that's
Yeah.
that's it for that.
That's about it. I don't know about
Okay.
there is
And some more screws.
there's an air conditioner here. I don't know.
Air conditioner here. Not sure if it works or not.
Yeah.
So,
But other than that,
okay. Everything else looks good. Oh, there's notable holes here. And then up here as well.
there's a couple of screws here.
Okay. A couple screws over there.
Yeah, that looks about it.
Okay. This one didn't have a basement, did it?
No.
Okay. I'm used to him buying properties with basements, so
Yeah.
so everything else looks good. We're waiting to get access to the garage door. Couldn't find the key to that. Outside looks pretty good. Got some weeds. Grass needs to be cut. Got a hole out front where somebody decided to take probably a flower or something with them. I got screens out here. Porch, noticeable carpet wear and tear. And that's pretty much it to report. Okay, we found the garage door opener. We're gonna walk through here and make sure there's nothing concerning. A little bit of graffiti on the walls. Extremely hot today. All right, just a basic garage, nothing fancy.
Yeah.
Nothing fancy here. I don't know if the lights work or anything. Are there any light switches on there? Let's see. Let's see if I can get a... Yeah, we got lights.
All right.
Okay, everything's working good.